You can have all the talent in the world, but if your career habits are working against you, you're going to feel stuck, burnt out, or worse, invisible. Trust me, I have been there. And I've seen so many amazing musicians get in their own way without even realizing it. So today, I'm breaking down 9 career management mistakes that singers and musicians often make and almost always regret later. This isn't about calling you out. It's about helping you get out of your own way so your career can actually move forward. So let's get into it. The first mistake is waiting to be discovered. Let's just get this out of the way. Nobody is coming to rescue you. Nobody's going to magically discover you on Instagram and hand you a record deal. You have to create your own momentum. Take initiative. Put yourself in rooms, on platforms, and in front of people who matter. Opportunity doesn't knock unless it knows where you live. So show up. Mistake number 2 is ignoring your online presence. Your website, your socials, your YouTube channel, they're not optional. They are your digital business card. And if someone Googles you and finds nothing, that's a problem. Make sure your materials are current, clean, and aligned with your brand. A professional online presence builds trust before you even meet someone. Mistake number 3, not learning how to market yourself. Marketing is not bragging. It's storytelling. It's connection. It's visibility. And if you're waiting for someone else to promote you, you're giving away your power. You need to learn how to talk about what you do, how to share your wins, how to build a clear message, how to invite people to engage with your work. Your voice deserves to be heard, but first, it has to be seen. Now, just a side note, if you really need some help with marketing, you just feel like you're not good at it, or you need some fresh ideas, I have a mini course called The Savvy Singer's Marketing Blueprint, and I'm going to link it below this video because you need to understand how to create a multifaceted marketing plan, and you need to know why that matters. So check that link below. Okay, mistake number 4, undercharging or working for free indefinitely. Yes, some unpaid work early in your career is normal. But if you've been accepting exposure gigs forever, you're training people to devalue your art. You need to know your worth. You need to know your boundaries, and you need to charge rates that reflect your skill, your time, and your experience. Exposure does not pay the rent, so stop working for free. Okay, mistake number 5 is avoiding networking because it feels awkward. Well, newsflash, that awkwardness goes away with practice. If you're avoiding people because you don't want to feel salesy or needy, flip the script. Networking is just relationship building. It's sharing space and ideas, inspiration, and yes, opportunities. So start by reaching out to one person a week. Compliment them, connect with them, ask a question of them. You don't need a huge network. You just need a real one. Mistake number 6 is being inconsistent with your goals. 1 month you're all in. The next you're overwhelmed and off track. Sound familiar? Consistency doesn't mean hustling 24/7. It means showing up regularly on your terms. So set realistic goals, break them into actions, track your progress. Clarity plus consistency equals momentum. Mistake number 7 is avoiding business and financial planning. If you're not managing your money, your time, or your systems, your career will feel chaotic. So start with the basics. Create a monthly budget. Track what you're earning and spending on your career. Block out time for admin work and strategic planning every month. Because you're not just an artist. You are a business owner. And when you manage that business wisely, that's when you're going to thrive. Mistake number 8 is not protecting your energy and your voice. You can't give your best if you're running on fumes. Burnout doesn't make you noble, it makes you ineffective. So protect your vocal health, build in rest, say no when you need to, create boundaries around your creative time and energy. A healthy singer is a consistent singer. And finally, mistake number 9, comparing yourself constantly to others. Comparison kills creativity. You're not just on their path, you're on yours. Celebrate other people's wins and stay focused on your own lane. No one else has your voice, your story, your energy. So build your career that way. So, let's recap these 9 mistakes musicians always regret. 1 is waiting to be discovered. 2 is ignoring your online presence. 3 is avoiding marketing. 4 is undercharging or working for free. 5 is avoiding networking. 6 is being inconsistent with your goals. 7 is skipping financial business planning. 8 is neglecting your health and rest. And 9 is comparing yourself to everyone else. So if you saw yourself in any of these, don't panic. Know that now you know. Now you can shift. And now you can move forward on purpose. You've got the talent. Now let's build the foundation to support it. And if this video gave you some clarity or lovingly called you out, like it, subscribe, and hit that bell for more honest, actionable content to help you grow a real, fulfilling music career. And let me know in the comments, which of these mistakes have you made? And what are you doing now to shift them? And as always, keep learning, keep growing, and stay savvy.